boss Lugalabi Mugobi gulu yakedde kusiba tiles ekawungezi ne ziyika ne muleka leero akedde kuzisiba kati mbadde nzigala ekinabiro bwe ne zingoberera
akozesa biki
alina ekiveera tekiyawo tekitegeerekeka oba mulimu ki
abantu bakyabikozesa basibisa Arapex Style Adhesive tiles ne zinywera Arapex Style Adhesive takyaliko kubaganya birowoozo buli ayagala okunyweza tiles ku kisenge oba awantu wonna gwakozesa ne UNBS yakonamu dastamp ng'omutindo kyekyo akolebwa Ziden Tile Center ku noti 753 noti 65 28
Gonza musindika ya sente eri abagalwa abo mu nyaffe Uganda ng'okwesa enkola ya tap sendi enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika kati genda mu simu yo odownloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunge ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abagalwa abo kozesa promo code
Kasuku
nga toyawuddeemu abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10 Europe ojja kufuna euros 10 USA ojja kufuna dollars 10
Canada
ojja kufuna dollars 10 ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsimu oba oli kati gwabadde atawaanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abagalwa abo okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala.
Shukra Herbal Solutions katwe faba kubuka mu kujjanjaba endwadde ez'enjawulo nga tukozesa eddagala ery'obutonde tukuwa eddagala erisembeza amagi gwatazaala tulina eddagala lya 3-in-1 muwoomya supu taiti n'akabugumu tulina eddagala lya kabootongo ne syphilis nga bino tubijjanjaba ne biwonera ddala tulina ka tube cleanser nga kano kayoza enseke tulina ka water syrup nga kano kasumulula taapu ate nga abakyala twabaleetedde ka taiti piuzi ezijjanjaba infections ez'enjawulo nga naawe omwami ayagala okulwa mu kisaawe twakukoledde ka jab ointment tulina slimming pills nga namwe abenyooma mu size tukuweera ddala eyo size gye weetaaga ate nga naawe omukyala ataweebwa twakukoledde kabuweebwa akakugulirawo emikisa tulina ne ka return oil akakomyawo omuntu wo kubira abasukra Herbal Solutions katwe ku nooti 751-84-43-14 beba Shukra Herbal Solutions katwe.
So today, and in Dr. Anatoli once again,
yes,
we are at his residence. Kati mu Luzungu bebagamba nti leafy suburbs, in the leafy suburb. Kino kibabeera bategeeza awali emiti green is what is leafy. Kati abe muyenga you don't live in leafy suburbs. People just throw the word leafy. This is what it means, this green. So today we are going to be taking a tour of this place. Luli twali twogera katabo n'ebimu ku bikalimu introduction how we got here. Now today we are going to be talking about the same things but with the tour of this place. Most of you are saying twagala tulabe kwa Akright biki. So tugenda kwa tutambula nga akunnyonnyola nti twatandikira wano katuli wano and the different settings here. Ogenda kulaba oluguudo olukwatako estate yeri erudde eri naye nga byonna biri ki. So welcome Dr. Anatoli.
Thank you.
And you who is watching, join us for this ride as we take you on a tour of Akright.
Okay.
No, most times.
Yes.
people think we are joking. Yes.
Yes.
So, doctor, you should sit in front.
In front.
With me.
Okay.
So, doctor, how is the going?
The going is okay. Yeah, there.
Things are well. We've not seen each other in a very long while.
Yes, true.
And people were asking me, will you go back? So I have some comments, people's comments that I'll be reading for you guys. Abali kuno. Nenda kubamba somera mo ku comments ezimu as we tour. I'll be reading for you some of the comments
It's okay.
that from the last episode.
Okay.
Then of course, then you will answer them.
Yes.
As we ride around. So
Yes.
this is Ashok Road.
This is Ashoka Road.
Ashok Road.
House number 8.
House number
8.
Nayeta musumbu wa doctor nga mujja muzunga zunga. My name is Eji Zunga.
This is the Ashoka Road. Have you seen it?
So this is Ashok Road, as you
Road.
can see.
Yes.
There you go.
Then you go up.
Should we go back to the main road? We come again?
No. We are going on top of the hill.
We are going on
at
top
the
of
center of the Akright city.
Yeah.
Actually, where Akright was discovered.
Oh.
When you are there, it has a very nice panorama. You can see all Akright from all the corners, all the hill to hill to hill.
These ones have a frigo band.
Yeah, there will be a frigo band on Saturday.
Saturday.
On
Sunday.
On Sunday.
So, Akright, you're going to be dancing to a frigo band.
Yeah. It's a community full of life.
This is something I want in our video for you to explain.
Yes.
This road, as you can see, the California Village, Executive Village, this one.
All this is the center. That's what I'm saying. This is at the center of all the projects. So
here.
If you are going down, going on that side, on the other side, so you are going like this. So this is where the billboard for all the
everything is.
Yeah. Then you are going down.
Washingtonia Lane.
Washingtonia Lane, yeah. It's Washingtonia Lane.
So is it you who names these roads?
Yes. Can't wait. I am the founder, I am the designer, I am a composer.
So I go up?
Yeah, go up.
Oh, okay.
I go up.
Last time we came here, this house was not here.
Yes.
It's just like 2 months.
Every day.
And they have already built.
Every day, every day. Yeah.
So who put this?
Abasirikale ababeera wano.
Yes.
Yes.
So here we are.
Yeah, this is the top. This is
you say this is the center.
This is the center. When you are here, you are in the middle. This is like a city square. Akright City.
Oh, this is the center of Akright.
Yes.
So the other side
the
and the other side,
the other side are the same. It's a city square, hilltop city square.
Okay.
So, but we
so
can.
These are gardens.
These are gardens.
So build a garden here.
Yeah, big gardens here. So when you are here, you can see everything from one spot. From one spot, you can see.
So about now, up here, you can see the entire Akright.
Yes.
And that is what the cameraman is going to show you.
Yes.
He's going to give you a 360 degrees. Doctor says this is where the dream started.
Yes.
Of Akright.
Yes.
How many acres you said?
It is 1,280.
1,280
yes,
acres.
Yes.
360 degrees. Wetuva wawari. This Pepsi is also part of Akright.
Pepsi. Yes, it's part of Akright. Even beyond Pepsi. It's also where have you seen that road across there?
Which one? This dusty road.
And the other dusty road. It's also part of Akright.
With the other small trees there.
All those trees. Then you come. Have you seen after Pepsi as you move up? It
this other road.
It falls into the road going to Chisubi.
To Chisubi. Hey.
To Chisubi. Hey. Then all those forests you see the other side, all those buildings you see. Where you see Mategula. Go by Mategula, where you see Mategula.
Mategula everywhere.
Including top of the hill. Up the top of the hill.
Even the other top of the hill there?
No, we don't reach there. But the forest.
Oh, the forest.
The forest there. Okay. I mean the other forest there, the other side.
I can see.
Then we go on top of the hill. Then we go behind to the other main road there. This is 2 square miles of land.
2 square miles. Yeah, I hope someone watching now you have a clear picture. You know na Akright. Ola ba mategula wano wonna tambula bochi. Kati wano nebola akugagi this center.
Yes, center.
Wano wabera waggulu wonna, but I'm surprised you go up to Pepsi. Pepsi kakwate factory ya Pepsi empya. Eri wali. Obogiraba. Yawo. Eyo nayo yonna tugendayo because Pepsi olwo luguudo luyita makati ye Southern. So Pepsi is the other side of Southern.
Southern, yes.
So Southern went through Akright.
The whole road passes through Akright.
Doctor, you're in things.
So kakati wano zino factories endala za ham. Industry or whatever and some houses.
Hamu yeno wano. Just opposite.
Kakati no ye golf. Kakati the design is that we created the topmost becoming executive village. Then on the other northern part of what we created what we call professional village. And then on the lower part, professional village, we have green terrace village. Then after that, then we came into in the center of the project, we created what we called a Pal village. Pal village. Then we created this village which is below here. We called it as Rendezvous village. Then there is another village which is closer to the golf course. It's called Sun City village. On the other side, on the eastern side of the golf. Then on the southern part of the village, we called it golf course executive village. Then we have also where the factories are is called ICT village. That's an ICT village. ICT village. So those we have total villages here, and we also have diaspora village just behind here when we are moving like this. On the other side, when you are going to get out on the
diaspora village is for the diaspora people.
Yeah, it's on the eastern part.
So those who want to purchase from the diaspora
apartment,
but these other places, they still land.
Yes,
that someone can buy.
Yes, still some land. Like the ones we sold land, they can also sell.
They can
they bring them back to us. Then we build or we buy. We pay. We usually buy them back.
Okay. I see.
The reason why we did that is that where we are coming from, our nature, our cultures, whatever, all those things is a combination of many things. They created this thing to be like this because there was no way how we would have developed it. We remember the country had no construction funding, had no mortgage financing. So we had to use all the wisdom that could apply
at the time.
That time.
So this is top view.
Top view.
So for those who saw the video when we are launching our book, we launched the book here in that garden there. Yeah, so the part where Chamagera and Farida were showing you around from above, we are standing here and showing you there.
Yes.
This is quite impressive. You know me, I thought like it's just this.
No. It's a 2 square mile. It's a city. It's as you see. I mean, why do we call it a city? A city for residential facilities, a city for industrial facilities, a city for office facilities, a city with recreational facilities. So all those apply to man's to human need. So that's why when you are here, you can socialize. You can see now we are bringing a frigo band. People are going to enjoy. Then we have a golf course. Then we have children's parks. Then we have industrial where people get jobs from. Then we have churches on this side and also on that side. Then we have even mosques. They are also there. Then we have groups. I mean, some kind of there is a executive village. for those people high class. We have also the middle class. Then we have also affordable class. All those classes are there.
Okay, so we are going now we are going where?
Let's move on Akright Road. We want to go to where the offices are, and more especially where the Chinese have put the offices and other people. Now I was giving you the panoramic view of the city
from above.
So let's start with the offices.
Okay.
Where are offices located? Let me show you where our offices are located.
Okay.
Then after that, then we are going into recreational facility. Then after golf course. Then after that, we go to industrial area.
The side where where Pepsi is. So don't move. We want to show you organized living.
Yes.
Area be inspired. Those who can purchase, the phone number is going to be on as usual. You call. Don't disturb. Call.
And I'm also going to show you where the condominium apartments
that we are going to build.
Yes.
Yeah, me am a landlord here. So let's go, Doctor. Meanwhile, I just wanted to read for you some of the comments.
Yes.
There's a man now Isaac. Very inspiring. Thank you, Kasuku. I like the direction you're taking. This man has inspired me. I need his book from
business tragedy
to strategy.
Yes.
It's now on eBay. You can buy it. It's on Amazon.
Yes.
You can get it.
Yes.
But if you want a singular copy, you can go to a Uganda bookshop.
Yes.
It is there.
Yeah.
From business tragedy
to strategy.
Yes. To understand how we got here.
Yes.
Those who didn't see our first episode, we discussed all of this.
Yes.
How we got here. Now we are showing you kati tukulaga. Yes.
Okay.
So doctor,
let
us continue. Ekintu nkyakiri mu bannaye temutya. Leero nkikubye embeera ndala. Yes. The cameraman is inspired. Is seeing new things.
The cameraman.
To get me a plot in the affordable living.
Affordable living, that's true.
I'm a common man.
The last time we came here, these people are actually packed here.
Yes.
I'm shocked they are building.
Now you're building, yes.
Wow. But it's a great initiative.
Because here I'm going to put a hotel.
Oh, you're going to put a hotel up here, eh?
That place is a hotel. I'm putting a hotel.
But doctor, there is still land here.
Yes, land is there. But some of the land we sold it, so not everything is ours. We have already sold. This land, this is a plot for the Chief Justice, the former Chief Justice is a plot.
Land building there.
Building, yeah. You never judge kumpinga musanvu mu estate muno.
This house is very nice. So this is
on the lower side, yes.
Doctor, these are serious houses.
Yes, that's true.
People are building. People are building.
Yeah, that's true.
Give them the same plan.
I give them very many. I give them a booklet of
but look
architecture.
At this house, doctor.
Yes, actually, our minister for infrastructure.
Isn't that too sweet?
Engineer, yes. He's an engineer.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, people are really building serious houses.
Yes, that's it.
And you stay these in a very organized environment.
Yes,
but I had never come this side. It is shocking. That's also a nice one. Now when this one finishes that house, it's also going to be beautiful.
It's a nice house. He stays from America.
Yeah, he's in America, that one.
He's a medical consultant in America.
But he's building a very serious house.
That's true.
Wow. Banaya ndowooza olabye ebintu banaya ndowooza mulaba ebintu bwe munaavaawo nga mugamba saabalaga. This one very serious. But these ends, you ataina mategula tajja.
Atajja. And
So
this
we are
was
going
for my
where?
brother.
This is your brother's house.
My brother's house. Let's go this way. So this is our office, but though we don't need to have it, but this is our office here. Okay. Project office. So all those, some of these are offices. As we move like this.
So this side, these are offices.
Most offices, yeah.
So you call it professional village.
Professional village.
Community service. Now this is the business side that you were telling us about.
So some of these are offices.
Yeah, but what these ones should have come first. The other side.
These offices. Now, the Bimuli, get them. These are offices. You can have the offices here.
These are Chinese.
Can have the Chinese, yes.
China communication construction.
Yes, the communication offices.
Oh, these are the guys who are doing roads.
Roads. Then these are the offices as well. Capture that image, whatever. Then we can have. Then we can move. We can go and turn from there but I'm going to show you where we see our church. I should also be able to show you the church. Let's drive you up to the church.
This one?
Akright Church, you know, those are part of the social services.
Oh, that you offer,
Yes, offer.
The church.
Let's go.
The church is this side down. This is the same as camping, it's a church.
Which one?
No, this side down.
It's not camping, it's a church. It's called Akright Church.
Akright Church.
Yes,
but you know camping is a church. So, Kati, from up here, obeera olaba bulungi bypass yiyo. Ogiraba.
Let's go to church also, we capture it.
The view is nice from here. Now, whose apartments are these?
Those were Eritrea.
These ones, the many ones.
Not for Akright too,
but that is also part of Akright.
No,
those
this
apartments.
Side, on this side. This side.
Oh, this one's here. What about the other ones?
That is independent.
That's not part of you guys.
It's not.
Oh. Okay.
But for us, we go by express, then we pass by. You see, there is a road which separates him and our place here.
Yeah, I can see it there. Okay. Wow. This dream was huge, eh?
Yeah, indeed.
But you didn't expect that it could be this.
I thought it was going to be small, but it has managed to become big.
So every Sunday people drive down here?
Yeah.
It's for Catholics, Protestants?
It's for Protestant. We have also a Catholic on the other side. I told you one time that this place is was designed according to the Bible story. So we have to have a church on the northern part and also on the eastern part. According, go like this. Then enter the church.
So this is the church?
This is the church, yes.
Okay. So does this road throw us where we are going?
We can use it or we can use another place.
You know it's organized, eh?
Yes, that's it.
So the Reverend also has a church, eh?
Has a
house,
yes.
So he stays here?
Yes. This is a unique church. The way we build it is according to the Bible story, according to... are you a Catholic?
Me, I'm a Catholic.
So we designed it according to Ezekiel's story, the Bible.
Isaac.
I think we can continue like this. Okay. Then we get out of there.
Like this, eh?
Let's move like this.
So this, okay. So bypass is there. This is a what? This is a recreation area, eh?
A recreation area.
Just town council headquarters. They are here?
They are in Akright City. Can they be anywhere?
Huh?
They are here in Akright City. They are here, up here.
So, Mr. Producer, you can see things, eh? Mujja ne mwebake yeka ne mulowooza mwatereera. Ndowooza ebintu mubirabye. These are apartments.
The apartments, yes.
Ebony Villa.
Let's go this side.
Whose home is this? But are we living together or what?
Yeah,
This home is so good.
Yes, indeed it is.
My God. You see that?
That's it.
It's not a hotel, it's someone's home.
Someone's home, yes. There's a nice homes if you go behind here. Have you seen the other one?
That
Have
one?
You seen
That's not a hotel, that one.
that one's home. Some people want to live well, yeah.
Organized living.
Yes.
Sibi akumala gazimba, nze nenzimba wano. Oli nazimba wali. So, but we are sloping to where?
To slope down.
To the golf course.
Golf course, yeah.
So right now we are going down to the golf course. Yeah, just so you be in sync with what's happening.
Yes.
We've been to the business side, like you have seen.
Offices, what?
Offices, and you know all of those.
Now
we were at the
City Square.
At the City Square.
Now we are going to recreational facilities.
Now we are going to the recreational facilities.
Yes.
But so many things have changed.
Yes.
From the last time we were here at the book launch. These are apartments.
Apartments, yeah. Okay, go on. We go by the club first, then we move to the... Okay. Let's start with the club.
So guys, we are now at...
Palm Valley Golf Course.
We are now at Palm Valley
Golf Course. Abana bandetera kapira nkakube. Yes, hello.
We are at the Palm Valley.
Nakanali wanyagala leta kapira. Andetere kwa kapira nyagala kuba kapira wa eri. Andetere gunda unyagala kuzanyamu.
So abali eyo batogenda nko ku golf course. Ero Kasuku live. You know, us, we, the rich people, we play golf.
Yes.
On a Monday in the afternoon.
Yes.
So don't feel bad. Patukulaga these things so that you pick a leaf. You know the problem with Uganda,
yes.
And one of the reasons why I liked your book so much. We have people who have money, they can't enjoy their money. But an organized environment like this one,
yes.
You move from your home, you come, you play golf.
Come and play golf.
You go and swim.
Some people don't know.
Zirengato tezizanya golf. Tobuzabuzibwa. Naye no original Zara, naye tezanya golf. But we are showing you around, Aizo okikuta yonna. Abantu njagala balabe kye twogerako. So we are gonna play golf.
Yes, golf.
Aizo laba yeyo.
Aha. Chakala bakapira bwe bakakuba.
Olabe babuteekawo bulijjo balesi bayitu babukola bwe bati.
kale mpagunde eno
ezo gira bagisokola ya izo
aha takulaba akapira nga nkakubye
deka wa maaso wansi this is target ajja kusoka one
kimanyi aha karabye kale no karabye akagude uri areso bulala kubanga no yenyagala zanyeko
aja kubuleta ba adose waka kubuleta
kati bwakito sosi no data buli kendo dete buli kati kasoke kubeka no olaba ukagude deno gendo bulete kafude
fagudao kumpi
kati
nze nzirako
egozi yako kabalete balls
naye babinka ku ttebe bakakwata binti wana
olukumulumu luno berikwata muno
bwenti
okafunye
so we are the golf course here at Akright.
Yes.
Just okula katini aizo kwata boat olaba eyo nayo golf course pakeri
neno side eno
nejja nekwata eri bweti eriyo nayo neyetola 360 nejja nekwata wano pakeri kati luli oluguudo lwetubadde tujjirako netukyuka netugenda eyo but regardless so these are some of the privileges you get when you work in the media to hang out on a golf course on an afternoon as you play some golf you drink some good things you hang around Dr. Anatoli you have a chat here and there yes and life becomes good abadde bamanyi eyo gye tubeera right now leave me me first finish this then I can nega mumanyi ebibadde wa
so swinging like that swinging nga kagende bwe kati swinging
when I'm swinging back.
When you swing, then when you do like this, they should be able to push the ball up. Yes.
Okay.
But you have to keep
yes.
eyes down.
Okay. So
you have to swing as you see. I don't try easy. Let's carry obadde eri kumpi kasinginga kagende wagulu
ndi ku golf
Hit the tee.
down
Kabadde kali kumpi, kabadde kagenda. Kawonye buwonye.
Temundya bannange. She has failed.
Has failed.
So I need to do some serious practice. Doctor, can you show us?
I show you. What about it?
Doctor, let your shoulders face in the fairway. So,
Yeah. That's very true.
Wow.
Kageze.
So I think that is it. So this is the golf course.
Yeah, it's a golf
I
course.
think you have seen it.
Private road mayor bw'aba ayingira aliwo asobola kumubuuza. Yimirira wano, wano ffe twakazimba. Yes.
Yes, doctor.
How are you? So you are boss? You are everywhere at UPC? You are there, you are there, you are there. How are you? You are good? How are things?
Good.
Nze basajja bange bano. Basajja bange be bankolera what we call promotions. So kakati akyaliwo akwata nze. Kati nze report nze ku police ankwata. Kubanga nje report nze ku police. So we are doing a documentary talking about organized living environment. Tugamba ntagamba abantu basula bwe bati abantu balina okubeera ne security kati sawa zino tulaga security nti tokola community nga toyina security kati ye message eriwo kati sawa zino. Tugamba community nga toyina security ebate bati community so kakati ejo ye message eyitulese wale kugamba nti Akright city our security is guaranteed. Wode kigambe we are here kati nsanyuse nnyo okusanga wano ikale sebo nsanyuse nnyo okusanga wano emirimu nga bwe tugitambuza mwebale olaba kati tubadde mbuulira abantu nti statistics eziriwo nti government efulumya sente nyingi okumanaginga security mu slums naye efulumya obusente butono okumanaginga security mu organized environment. Nimbadde magambe nti ffe tusobola kumala kumpe myezi 6 oba mwaka mulamu nti tufunye ene crime naye kati buli bwogenda Katwe bwogenda wona osangawo crime zibeera nga 50 olunaku lumu. So kirungi okukola organized living environment kubanga bwozikola oba reducinga crime. Eyo ye message yange sebo yolwaleero
tushayimirire bulungi mu security.
Kata woli olowooza nyera likiraze nyembaka kubanga bayito by the way record yo ebadde mpitirivu. Tiwaliwo omuntu asaba record yo kakati tulaba tuli ku police tolabawo omuntu aliwo nga ali complaininga tolabawo omuntu ntali uyine mu musibe wano kati ulira wona kusanga police nga teyina musibe nga teyina muntu complaininga laba jangu labe ogiraba entebo ziraba tuwaliwo omuntu yena complaininga ne office ya office ogiraba tuwali muntu n'omu ogiraba kati bwogenda mukomera tuwali n'omuntu n'omwe musibe kubanga gisiza n'organized living environment olabe kingambi ekomera lirabe jangu labe tumuli muntu wano tuwali muntu kubanga no crime in an organized environment tuwabeerawo crime olabe kingambi kati bw'obeera n'abantu ab'obuvunaanyizibwa abantu abalina ab'obuvunaanyizibwa nga bakozi nga OC waffe tulina wano tosobola kulabirawo ddala tosobola kulabawo n'omuntu n'oki ndowooza ontegere kingambi ndowooza waba tatukisuubira kugenda ku poliisi tosanze wa complaininga tosanze bubusibe bukoere kingambi kubanga it's an organized living environment sibo ntegere bulungi Sebo.
Organized living.
Organized living. This is the children's park.
This is the children's
Independent children's park. Eyabato. Naye katwine ne park eyabakulu n'abantu abalala.
So this is for only the children.
Okay, this is
abato. And a swimming pool.
Swimming pool. So we are working on it. It's not yet complete, but to be complete in due course. At least tulowooza nti by Christmas ijja kubanga ewedde. Kubanga obuntu obulamu butonotono.
Obuntu obulamu butono. Ebirala mubeera mubireeta bouncing castle.
Byonna nga bw'ogiraba. N'okwata booti jangu kwate wano n'ekibira ekyo. Ekibitawana. The forest even can have it. The whole of it for a 360 degree. Ukiraba sebo. So in the community obeera onomanya nti abaana bange ayinja kubatwala mu children's park. Tibagenda kusalasala bazanye obaleeta n'obateeka wano security neba managing nga bwe kisoboka nojja n'obajjawo kati kugenda mu park. Business park. Aro business park aro na amusement park which is we call it recreational park.
Okay. So let's go to the business park
and recreation park.
Hampam Villas.
Hampam Villas. Kwatao. Labe bimuli pa Hampam Villas.
But these are nice flowers.
Yes. Look at what is the Dala Hampam Villas. Katwitire wano wakati. Wano twitire okuzabe. Nyagala. Yes, ogamba ki? Yeah, park one. We go. We go.
So this is now Hampam Villa.
This is Hampam Villas.
As we've come in.
Smart homes.
Smart homes.
Palm smart homes. Why are they called smart homes? When Wobera one, you see everything is here. There is a swimming pool. There is a golf. There is football stuff. Table tennis, some what?
Tennis court,
basketball. Then again, he's a member of the Palm Valley Golf Course. Then and also other children's parks. We are going to see them, whatever. And these whole beautiful homes, and also have all the internet connected on every whatever. So when you are here, you can do everything without going to Kampala. Yes, you can move in and you also see the beauty of the home.
Inside.
Yeah, it's very, very nice home, you know. Yes. Yes. Mtabani bagamba ki? Wadotide. Nkola gundi, nkola smart homes concept. Wadotide. Twali mtawana.
Chechino. This is idea the life we should all be living.
Yes. So no, you take it down. That's where it is.
So you buy it when it's finished.
You buy it when it's finished.
Wow.
So that is the place, how it is.
So this is just down here to Jokoma, because they are working and
they're still working on it, yeah.
But you can just come and see from here, how is that? This is up.
You can have this one like this. This is enough. This is the way how it is. This is smart home. You can do everything. It can be your house. It can be an office. It can be everything. That's why it's called a smart home.
Smart home.
Yes.
Wow.
Yep.
So this is it. So these homes are on sale.
Yeah, these homes are on sale. Yeah, on sale.
Kati? Katuongero bayisaamu wano. Alenga betugenda awaddako. Eno yonna Akright. Omanyi bwe babagamba temuwulira. Buli kiseera muddaawo abo balimba beesudiya. So from the first episode, now we have this one.
Yeah. It's Ham Palm Villas, which is built it on a concept of smart homes. All the homes you see here have all the internet connections. And when you are here, there is always, when you are here, they have swimming pool, there is tennis court, there is football pitch, there is everything that makes a person. So no, let's go. So there is a very good environment created here for specialized people to live in. So this is more or less a rich man's, a millionaire's village. You don't come here when you are not kwala because the standards are high class. And security is guaranteed. Industrial. Katugenze mu industrial nini na
industrial area.
It's industrial area.
Industrial
park. Put all the energies, all the water. Jizira oba kuzira bakweta buti mu Uganda.
Nida ni mu sorry dobozi.
So Isaac, this is the new Pepsi.
This is the headquarters of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Headquarters as
the one. In Uganda, yonna headquarters are Pepsi International Company of Pepsi Cola is here. Gent Street. That one. Okay.
So this is it, Isaac.
Headquarters on Aziri one.
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
109.
And that way. Actually, call it a recreational
So this
park.
is a recreation park.
It's under development, it's not yet complete, but
it's still under development.
It's under development.
So people can come here.
Na eno yabakulu si yabato. Yabato yeri.
Ettaka ddene.
Linene laboti. Wanene ngabo side eno.
Okay. Waliwo ka island kakali wali mulimu akatebe.
Kakati.
Ogalabye.
Kakati wano. Kino ekifo.
Kino kibira.
Kino ekifo kino kifo twasima ebbumba wano. Tutwala kajansi ne batuwamu amategula. Bw'oluuza nti Akright hedde mwazijjawa. Twakozesa resources ezitulina. Twasima ebbumba wano. Tutunda kajansi ne batuwa amategula. Kati amategula tugazimbisa ennyumba. Kale kyukira wano ndowooza.
Okay.
Yingira side omundi eyo. Kola bwoti.
Okay.
So kino tubadde njagala kukulaga nti wano ekifo kyonna kiri reserved for oba tutuuke bali ku nyanja wali. Kiri important. Kubanga this is one of no parking wano. This is the most precious place eyitulina.
Eno yennyanja. So kati muno mwe mwasima ebbumba.
Twasima ebbumba wano.
Muno baasimamu ebbumba ne bayitwalira kajansi craze. Kajansi craze ne bawa amategula
amayumba agagolaba. Ati bw'obuuza nti Akright ssente mwazijjawo ffe twakozesa nakyo resources zaffe kwano.
You used what you have.
Well, used what we have.
To get.
Ezo kitegeeza eri bulungi. Twakozesa ebitulina. Twakozesa ebitulina. Ntukola ki? Ntujja mu resource.
Eno ennyanja egenda bweti wali wali we tubadde tulaba wali.
Zonna twazikola mu design y'okugamba nti